Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better. I have good news for you. Have you tried to make money online? Maybe you wanted to make money online, but you don't know where to start. Everything looks confusing, expensive. Maybe tried it, not anymore because of Skool, a platform called Skool. And today something new is happening. It's becoming very easy for anyone to start from anywhere you are. And anyone can really do this because they made it very cheap to start and starting free. So if you thought about starting a business online and you're looking for a way to start without spending any money, if you're looking for a way to make passive income, that means money that comes every month. If you're looking for a way to make halal money, see, I'm dressed like this, that means we need clean halal money, working from home or anywhere you choose, this is the right place. And today there is something new because anyone can do this. So the way I'm going to do to share this information in this video, I'm going to first of all tell you about this platform called Skool, where this is happening. I'm going to talk to you about me a little bit, if you're seeing for the first time. Then I'm going to explain what's going on because they made it easy for you, how you do all that. And so I'm going to show what we've been doing before and what has changed to make it easier, right? So the difference between the two. And I'm going to invite you. Also a little bit, I'll explain how we make money with this system, okay? So welcome. I call this Take a Step to a Better You because I share what I know and continue to learn. And in this video, I want to tell you a little bit about Skool, the platform. The platform, you think of Facebook. Facebook is for people. Okay, businesses come in to advertise. It was meant for people to connect families, you share photos, all that stuff, right? And then later they make it actually a business thing right now. But this platform, Skool, is for business owners. Only you come and create a community, and the community could be about a skill you have, or a challenge you have, or a hobby you have, like that, a passion. That's how they created this, right? It started by a young man called Sam Ovens, and later joined by Alex Homozy, who started the Skool games. I don't know if you heard of the Skool games. Very exciting. People compete to see who's making the most money in their business. Still exists. So you come on and create a community and you make money in 3 ways. You could make money by promoting other people, other communities that are on there. You don't own anything, you just promote. Or you could promote this platform and they pay you 40% commissions. I do all this, by the way. Or you create your own community. So me, I'm doing all 3. But you don't have to do all 3, like I'm about to explain. You could start off doing just 1. So that's the platform called Skool. Now, about me, I'm Sherifa Nakalema, a very excited person on here because I like to share what I know and continue to learn. And because of this book, I have these 2 books always around here. This one called Rich Dad Poor Dad is mostly the message of passive income and creating your own thing. But this one, it's called the Cash Flow Quadrant, is mostly about business. Create your own business, right? So those 2 messages are very important, and now we're putting in action, and they make it easy for us. So my style, right now I work from home or anywhere I choose. You see what I'm doing, right? And especially this platform is making it easier. But it wasn't always easy. I had to clean homes here in Virginia, USA. I tell a story where my husband had an accident. I don't want to tell that here in detail, but that's true. It happened for me. I cleaned the homes until I was 50. I just turned 58, and I just celebrated 6 years on YouTube here, a recent video. So I'm grateful that now I'm able to do this, and I want to share this knowledge with all of you. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars before I got to this knowledge, and this Skool platform is putting everything together, everything I've ever wanted, or starting a business, or working from home, or making passive income. And I want this for you too, halal money too, okay? So that's a little bit about me. But in other videos, I go into details of that, what happened, how I had to clean homes and all that. So right now, I just mentioned the 3 ways, right? How you make money. But now I want to go to why I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I've been talking about Skool. And some of you have tried to start a community, but it costs $99. Okay, they give you 2 free weeks, but then after that, you have paid $99. And many of you had even archived your communities because you couldn't afford the 99. It's expensive. Before you figure things out, they're taking your 99, right? But now the CEO just came and said, I have something new for you. I'm creating what we call the hobby community. So a hobby community means you start off small. And you start off small and start off free for 2 weeks. And then also you pay only $9. I said, what? 9? That's cool. I have to record a video about it. I even went live first. Now I'm here to record a video. Because now anyone can do it. There's no excuses. They give you 2 free weeks. And me, I'm here to support you if you let me. So 2 free weeks. And then you can, of course, you can pay for $9, right? Because by that time, I'll have shown you how to make this money already before the 2 weeks expire. So, but they call them hobby communities, which means they're not exactly the same as the ones we've been doing. So these are a little bit different, but still, that's the beginning. After you say that, oh, this works, it's like how you start a business. Maybe you have a shop or store somewhere. Then later, as you like it, you hire someone to run it for you, like to a shop attendant or something. The same thing. This one is going to allow you. Now, let me take a pause here. And because instead of recording, like speaking too much to explain all these differences, I'm going to show you just a summary. So look at the screen. I'm showing you the difference. The Skool is showing you the easiest difference that you can see between the $9 one and the $99 one. So just look at the screen. But I'm also making my own full summary because when I went through the details, I found that like something they didn't mention right there. Because I've been on Skool, I see the other differences, right? Some he just said them, but he didn't put them on the summary. So I'll show you the one they have, but then I'm going to give you the other differences so that you see how the two are really different. I'll take a second for you to take a look, just right here on the screen. You could actually pause it, take a screenshot of it, or come and watch the video again to be clear on the differences. But if you don't want, if this is still confusing, and this, I'm going to ask you to come to my free community. One of my communities is actually free, and I make it free for that reason, to make it easy for you to come. There's a Zoom link inside. You come, I'll show you the difference and how you start. Or if you're one of those people who already know the things, I have a link for you also to go just start this up. Start without my help, without my support. But if you need my support, I'm always on Skool, Sherifa Nakalema. Send me a message. You say, you know what? I use your link to start this community, but now I'm confused. I'll show you for free how you move on with that. So, a little bit of what will happen if you choose to open this $9 community. It's called a hobby community, which means the easiest way to start is if you have some kind of hobby, right? Maybe you like cooking or like reading or you like doing puzzles the way I do. I like the puzzles, the Sudoku puzzles. What you do, you start this community and connect with people in the whole world. The whole world. There's even a map inside there that shows you where people are. You connect with other people. They could even be on this platform already, and you invite them to your community. Then you could say, my community, you have to pay $5 to be in here, or $10. It's up to you. You decide. You decide. Now, with time, as you see that this is really happening, now you could upgrade to the other one. Because the other one has a big feature that this one doesn't have. Actually, maybe 2 main ones, where you could hire someone to run it for you inside. Also, people promote it. Like the people who are inside can promote your community and earn commission. So those features are not in this one, in this small one, right? But as things are happening, you can upgrade inside. Okay, you just upgrade to pro. This one is the hobby one. The other one is the pro one. I have the pro one. But what I'm going to do right now, because I like to teach, I'm going to create this $9 one, and then I'll be teaching here on my YouTube channel how also in that same community, how these two are different, how to use this one, how to use the other one. So, but then I'll be managing it, so I'll see the difference because I'm managing all the other. In fact, right now I manage 3 already, pro ones. So I'm going to add this one, and soon you'll see me showing you how they are different and inviting you to come upgrade if you want to upgrade. So thank you for watching this video. Please like it. Please share with others. This is international. Only some countries like Uganda, where I'm originally from, It's not allowed, but connect with me. I have something for you. I'll show you how you could benefit from this too. Also, Nigeria was there at the beginning, then they removed it. I don't know why, but most countries are actually inside. So feel free to come to my free community. The free community will allow anyone. I choose who comes in. So come there and connect with me. I'll take you on Zoom and explain all this for you. This is what I do. I'm very passionate about it. So please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel so you see what I'm going to teach in future. If this is not for you, just share with someone else. Please. People are looking for visas, people are losing jobs. This is the way to solve our problem. The smart people are doing the work, and we are here to take action. And I'm one of the people. I want to be a real leader in this platform, Skool. Especially if you look like me, you are black like me, you're Muslim like me, we are minorities. Please, we have even this is helping us even more. Africa is not very much represented, yet it's available there. So please support this message and support me so that I can show them that, you see, we have people over here who are hungry, who could use this, right? That's my mission. I want to take this to Africa. I want to take this to minority countries so we can all benefit. Because right now it's mostly Europe and USA and more there. Also Australia, but I see South Americans. And you can use any language you choose. You can be for anywhere you choose. You can use any language you choose. It's beautiful. So please, this is your chance. This is our time. Okay? Like it, share it, add a comment for me. If you had to start a community, what hobby would it be? What do you love to do? I'd like to support you. So check the description of this video. And you see I have a free community. Come there, or just go straight and start your own community. Find me on Skool. I'll support you. Just find my name, Sherifa Nakalema, then DM me and say, yeah, I'm here, I need your support, and I'll share a Zoom link to connect with you right here. Like I always end these, I say take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Check below, come connect with me. If this sounds confusing, come to me. I'll show you how this turns into real money in your bank every single week. It's happening for me. I want it to happen for you. And we support each other. I'm going to also grow my business as I support you to grow yours. Please, let's do this, okay? Take a step to better you. Bye-bye.